1096.
My name is Muhammad Iskandar and my last 4-digit number is 1120.
My name is Sarami Besmedi. My last 4-digit number is 1084.
First, prepare the required equipment. A multimeter, multimeter probes, a breadboard, and resistor. We will now show you how to do calibration. First, adjust to buzz. Now, make sure the multimeter needle is positioned at 0 during the calibration. In this process, the total voltage of 5 volt passing through two resistors with resistance of 620 ohms and 430 ohms is calculated. In this process, the total voltage of 5 volts passing through the first resistor, which has a resistance of 620 ohms, is calculated. In this process, the total voltage of 5 volts passing through the second resistor, which has a resistance of 430 ohms, is calculated.